In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix touchpad settings missing in Windows 11. In order to fix this issue, there are few things that you can do. First of all, what you can do is simply try updating the touchpad driver. For that, first of all, open the device manager. In order to do that, what you have to do is simply press Windows key and X key. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, device manager, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, device manager should be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find this option for mice and other pointing devices. Expand this option by simply clicking on this arrow. Now over here, if you find the option for touchpad, what you have to do is right click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find this option for update driver. Click on it. Wait for a while and your driver will be updated. Now after you do that, the touchpad setting should be available for you. If updating the driver does not work, what you can do is simply try reinstalling the driver. For that, what you have to do is simply right click on the touchpad driver. After you do that, click on this option, uninstall device, that you can see on the screen. Then the driver will be uninstalled. Now what you have to do is restart your device. For that, click on the start icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now click on the power icon. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option restart and the PC will be restarted. Now after your PC is restarted, it will try to install the default driver again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try checking for the optional updates. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see on the taskbar. Now what you have to do is search for optional updates. You'll be able to see the result over here. Simply click on this option, open. Now after you do that, you'll be able to view the optional updates. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for driver updates. Simply expand this option. Now over here, if you find the option for touchpad, what you have to do is simply click on it. After you do that, go ahead and download it. After it is downloaded and installed, you should be able to find the settings for touchpad. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. But if your problem is still not fixed, the problem might be caused due to the recent updates. So for that, what you have to do is simply remove any recent updates that might have caused the issue. For that, what you have to do is simply press Windows key and I key. Now you can see over here the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, update and security. Now make sure Windows Update is selected in this interface. Now over here, what you have to do is scroll down and click on this option, view update history. Now you'll be able to access the update history. If you see any suspicious recent updates, go ahead and uninstall it. After you do that, your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply check for the BIOS settings. For that, you'll have to restart your computer. So simply restart your computer. Right now, I'm not going to do it. So simply follow my instructions. After you restart your computer, enter the BIOS or UEFI settings by pressing the required key during the startup. The required key are often F2, F10, F12 or del. After you do that, navigate through the menus to find settings related to input devices or pointing devices. Make sure the touchpad is enabled. If you made any changes, save them and exit the BIOS. Now after you do that, start your computer and your problem should be solved and you'll be able to access the touchpad settings. So that is how you fix touchpad settings missing in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.